What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up, people? Why is my light off? It's back on, baby. It's back on, baby. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? How to trade US30. Hey, flying, bro. Yeah, I told you, man. Yesterday was like 20%. Yesterday was like 20% what came back down. Yeah, yesterday's candle was nasty because it was like went up, okay, 17%, and then came all the way down. But yeah, the past what, 3 weeks, up 80%. What is this basic beat music? That's it? It's just this one song? That's crazy. What's good, Jose? What's Gucci? What's Gucci? What's poppin'? What's up, guys? How are we doing? Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? How are we doing? Guys, you don't even imagine what happened to me yesterday. I almost shat my pants. Oh, two things happened yesterday. One is even, I don't know, one was much scarier than the other one. So first thing that happened yesterday was somebody hit my car and then ran away. Like while I was shopping. So while the car was standing in the parking lot. Right? So that's alright. That's fixable. Whatever. I come back home. And I'm getting ready to go for dinner. And as I'm getting ready, I'm like, I need, to put on my watches before I leave. Bro, I always keep my watches in one, safe, in a safe. Bro, I opened the safe and they're not there. My 90K worth of watches, almost 100K worth of watches. Bro, I shit my pants. I literally think somebody fucking stole that shit. So, I started looking for them every fucking where, bro. My whole apartment was a mess, right? So my whole apartment is a mess. Bro, I'm panicking. I'm sweating. I'm like, there's no way I just lose 100K like this. So, I keep looking. That's it. I already accepted that somebody either stole my watches. I didn't think that I lost them because I remember I had them after the trip. I accepted somebody fucking stole. I was almost ready to call the police. The last thing I do before calling the police, I go into my office. And I literally see my watch box right here by my PC. So what happened was when I came back from the trip, instead of putting them somewhere in my safe, I put them somewhere here in my office for some reason. Bro. That was hilarious, man. That was hilarioso. You're a JPY blowing past all of the supplies, huh? Bro, what are you saying? Baine pant me hagdia. He said. Come on. What up, 8-Tracks? All these fundamentally driven markets. Fuck out of here. I'm no fundamental trader. I'm a technical trader, Is there a fucking huge logo? Hey, Julian Fennec. So yeah, I had 2 mini heart attacks yesterday. I don't care about the car, bro. I was worried about the watches. Look at US100, it's dropping, huh? Yeah, I don't want to sell this, bro. What the fuck? I don't want to sell this. I mean, if it drops, then congratulations, but I'm not selling this, bro. What do you think will happen to BTC? I say it's 250,000, bro. I made a bet with my friend that in 2025 is gonna reach 250,000, bro. Because right now, this movement up is not caused by retail, bro. It is not caused by retail. Trust me. This is all institutional. It's absolutely all institutional. Not all, but a lot of it. Because retail don't talk. Right now with the 100K, I think the retail are gonna start to walk in. Tell your parents, tell your family members, tell your taxi driver that Bitcoin just hit 100K. If the people right now, if you tell them it hit 100K, they're like, what? No way. It's the first time hearing about this. If you go back 4 years and you say Bitcoin 3 or 4 years, what was the whole drop? Like right here, okay? When it was like rising, 2021. If you tell that Bitcoin hit 100K, everyone knew, everyone was talking about it. When Bitcoin was at 60K, everyone was talking about it. Now Bitcoin came back to 65K, nobody's talking about it. I mean, only us traders are talking about it. Bitcoin is at 100K. Still, I don't think enough people know about this. So now it's gonna, I think the word's gonna go out. You know, that's what's gonna happen. That's what I think. That's what I think. Of course, a lot of retail traders will start to think that it's too late now. It's 100K. I can only double my money. But I think they're still gonna come in because we still have altcoins. We still have other coins and other projects, you know. So the cycle is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then alts. So I think Ethereum should have a nice run up very soon. Yeah, it's not even at all-time highs yet. It hasn't reached. I think it's gonna have an impulse. Solana, of course, is gonna have an impulse. It does follow the Bitcoin even more aggressively. Yes, exactly, Eben. Exactly. When retail traders start buying, when your taxi driver talks about the cryptocurrencies, that's when you start to exit. XRP, of course, crazy bounce. You know. So that's my insights on crypto. I just invest. I don't actively day trade crypto. I'm an investor. US 100, London session hug in the Asia. Not liking that. Gold has been complete dog shit. Look at this. For the past how many sessions? If we look and we calculate this, boom, that's 10 days. 10 days. It has been like this, squeezing. Squeezing. So we're squeezing. Whenever the price is squeezing, I do recommend to all the people never to trade it, because the squeeze price action is the worst price action. Consolidation is tradable. Trending markets are very tradable. The squeeze price action is very, very hard to trade. Even if you're able to spot those, you know, those resistances and those supports, there will be, like, look, imagine yourself holding the trade. You know, it goes up and then goes back down and then goes up and goes down. You're literally sitting at around break-even stage for days, right? So wait for the price to give you a direction. Actually, I would adjust it to something like this. That's something more like it. Yes, I've been buying BTC, bro. I've been buying BTC for forever, for the last 3 years. I don't buy it in chunks. I buy it from time to time, just for not really like for a reason, but just in the time. What's the approach to NFP? I don't trade it unless I'm in the trade. So if I'm in the trade, let's say I was buying. This is okay. So let's say I was buying. What is this? Yeah. Okay. So I was buying. If my trade at my entry point is like somewhere here, and then NFP is coming out, I'm exiting the trade. If my trade is somewhere over here, I'm either scaling out or just putting my stops at break even and holding it through the NFP. I won't open the trade during the NFP. You know what I mean? Okay, so yes, gold is out of the way. The market has been not the favorite. Not a fan of it so far. US 100 hugging US30, hugging Euro USD, still nice like we had yesterday. Euro JPY climbing up, but I'm fundamentally bearish. I don't have any clear levels right here. Also not a fan of Euro JPY. The past couple weeks of the markets was not something that I really like, to be honest, to be fair. Not a fan. GU. Let's look at the weekly. Previous weekly, bullish. Previous daily market structure, bullish. I told you guys I was looking for those buys. I already talked about this analysis. We do have lower lows and lower highs with this recent change of the market structure. So change of character right here to the bullish. Connecting that with the previous weekly candle being bullish. Connecting that with DXY that just formed a head and shoulder pattern on a big resistance inside of this consolidation. Everything correlates pretty nicely here so far. And if I go to 4 hour, I mean, I don't even need to go to 4 hour. Yeah, I'm bullish. Why did I enter this? Because there was no clear demand to take the trade. Here, neither. This could have potentially been the demand, but this was Asia. I was sleeping at the moment. At December price action is not good. As you can see, it's gonna only get worse. It should only get worse until after New Year. You know what I mean? Now, this time is the best time to backtest, to learn, to improve, to analyze your past performance, to check on your whole year of trades, your whole year of performance, to analyze, to look, and to make adjustments, to make changes. Or if you just started, or if you started recently, or if something that you're doing is not working, it's the best fucking time to learn throughout the year, because you really won't miss a lot. December, even January, is the times where you should be focusing more on improvement of what you have rather than looking for something new, okay? I mean, looking for something new is trying to look for new setups. And what I mean by improving of what you have is investing in your knowledge, investing in your yourself and in your performance. That's the best thing you can do right now. This is literally it. And yeah, that's I think where when I had my biggest upsides. I was developing the strategy that I'm using right now. I started developing the strategy that I'm using right now last year, December. Very slowly, very steadily. What I did is I looked back through my whole logs, all of the trades. I started making adjustments. It's a very hard and exhausting thing to do, is to look at all the trades. Of course, you won't be able to look at all of the trades, but like replaying them as well. And you know, step by step, it's like building a business. Building a strategy is almost like building a business. It won't work right away, but slowly, as you hire someone, as you fire someone, as you make new partnerships, like comparingly to the like trading is like you add one indicator, you remove one indicator, you realize that Wednesdays were your best trading days and Mondays were your worst trading days. So maybe on those days you use on Wednesdays higher risk, on Mondays low risk, and such things. This is the fucking hard work that you need to do, and 99% of the people don't do it. Simple as that. It's the hard thing to do, and everybody wants to just have nice quick fix, and you know, that's how you're gonna be successful. You guys haven't not seen me do it because it's just like a work that you need to do by yourself in or like with a mentor or with someone that has done it already. You know, like I did. But yeah, it's understanding how the trading works. The way I understand, look, I trading is not just about the strategy. A lot of people say that you'll get the strategy and you'll be successful, but I have a different not approach. I think I am correct when I say this. Trading is not just about the strategy. Trading is not just about risk management, and trading is not just about trading management. It's a triangle, right? So triangle, I call it successful traders triangle. STT. Successful traders triangle is the strategy that's profitable, tested, proven, and it works. Next is the risk management. What type of risk you use for what type of market conditions, market price action, and from your past performance. And finally, your trade management, how you act when you're in the trade. So now the strategy is step number one. When you enter the position and how you enter the position. Second is what type of risk you're using for that position. And finally, how you manage that position and exit out so you take the profits. Because just finding the position is not enough, because you may go into profit, but the markets will come back and you won't take any profits. Okay? If you just have correct risk management, you won't find the right, risk. The right time to enter the market. Or if you have just correct trade management, your risk may be off or your entries may be off, and then if one of those is missing, you won't be a successful trader. If you currently, that's watching right here, right now, right? You're watching right here, right now. Let me ask you a question and answer it to yourself. Don't answer it to me. Do you have a proven trading strategy that you know statistically, mathematically over 1,000 trades works? Do you know exactly that? You don't have to lie to yourself. So just ask yourself, do you have the strategy? Is it a step-by-step process on how you enter the trade? If yes, good. If not, you need to have that. Next, do you have correct risk management rules? Do you know when you enter 0.5%? Do you know when you enter 2% risk? Do you know when you use 4% risk per trade? What days you use 1%? What days you use 2%? Or what type of performance needs to happen for you to risk 4% on the trade? If you have answered to these questions, then you're on the right path. If you don't, you need to find them. And finally, trade management. What are your trade management rules? When you enter the trade, are you just lost in the sea? Look, you can build a boat. You can know how to, row. But if you are in the sea without a map, how you're going to reach the land? So if you know how to find the trade, if you know what type of risk to use, and you don't know how to manage that trade, then how you're going to be able to take the profits out of the markets. Okay? So trade management, when you enter the trade, how you take the money out. When do you take partials? When do you close full position? When do you scale in? When do you scale out? All of these type of questions. So if you're sitting right here and think like to yourself, oh, yeah, I don't really know, but I think I'm gonna figure it out. You won't. You just lose money, you will fail, and you will give up, and you'll say trading is not working or trading is not for me. Because everyone wants to avoid these hard things in trading. These are not easy to find them, figure out, and find a solution. So that's how you need to look at trading, the triangle.
What we have here is evidence.
Does it make sense, guys?
Topology of the world
Yeah, so, you know, trading is simple once you get over that hill of figuring it out. Then for me now, the trading is very simple. When I see people in the groups, in the social media, everywhere just fucking stressing, you know, this, what about that, what about this, what about that, it's just people people without the destination, you know. I listened to this great interview with Keith Cunningham, and he said, everywhere you go in life, you need to understand what is your destination, what is your goal. Just like you sit in a car and you want to go from point A to point B. If you don't, how Google Maps work, they need to understand where you are, and they need to understand where you need to go. Once you put those two together, they give you directions. The same way for you, you need to understand who you are and where you want to go. Now, when you have the starting point and the ending point, you slowly go there. You already know the directions. Of course, on the way, you will face obstacles. You will face losing streaks. You will face winning streaks, which are also not good, because you have to deal with them mentally. You will you will face lack of capital. You will face different market conditions that may affect your strategy, different obstacles. And now you have obstacle, you and the destination. And everyone that goes into the obstacle, some people will go over the obstacle easy. Some people will won't go through the obstacle because they see the obstacle. They think to themselves like, oh, I thought this was going to be easier, and they give up. Okay, I'll move to the next thing. And only those people that have the patience and dedication and persistence to build a machine to go around the obstacle or to break the obstacle and continuously break the obstacle towards their destination is going to succeed. So why I hate people, why I'm not fan of people flipping accounts is how many obstacles you can break by flipping the account. Yes, you may flip account once, but you'll have 10 more obstacles till you actually profitable, till you actually make money from the markets. So you get lucky once, you get lucky twice, maybe you get lucky 3 times, but then you have 7 more obstacles in the way. And then you lose, you know? That's why I'm all about building a sustainable strategy that works. Building a strategy that's not strategy, I don't like the word, it's a system, the triangle system, right? That's a systematic process, you know? So you're moving with a map instead of wandering around. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying any of this. I would be looking for potential buys on GBP USD actually at the beginning of the New York session. Oh, it's a bit too early, but I think it happened here as well. Yeah, I like this right here. I like this. So if we're able to come back to this, I would potentially be buying GBP USD if I like the reaction and I have the entry confirmation. So like what I did, okay? I have my strategy. I know exactly what I'm looking for in the markets to find my trade. I build my bias. I know where to look for my supply and demand zones and how to identify them and why they're important. You know? And then finally I have and then I go to risk management. You know, what type of risk am I using for this particular trade based on momentum, based on the trend, based on the market structure and all of these type of things. And finally, when do I enter the trade? Because sometimes for me, just touching the zone of interest is not enough. I have multiple entry confirmations that leads me to enter the trade. It's not touching the zone, because touching the zone is guessing, and I'm not a guesser. I'm not a magician. I'm a trader. I react to the price moving around my levels of interest. So if the price comes to my level, shows me entry confirmation, that's when I enter the trade. And finally, when I enter the trade, how do I manage it? That's how I trade. For you guys, you see this, oh, he drew a demand zone. He's looking for buys. No, it's much more to that. But I make it look simple because I've been doing this for 8 years. And when you do it every single day for 8 years, trust me, you will make it look simple as well. But all the time leading to that, it was much, much more complicated to deal with your mentality, to deal with your psychology, and go over all of these things over and over and over again. But yeah, like literally, I bet somebody new came to this stream and saw me just do this analysis. He's like, oh, this guy drew a demand zone, you know. And that's it. But you know, there's much more comes to this that I don't tell you about because it's so automatic. What do you think about TJR? What should I be thinking about him? He's a trader. I don't know. I don't know him personally. For executions, I use 15, 10, 5 minutes. His strategy, I don't know his strategy. I care about my own ship, man. I'm handling my own ship instead of looking at other people's, you know. My stuff is working really well, and I'm not even like I don't know, I'm on a speedboat, man. I don't know why I'm using ships and boats as a reference today so much, but that's how I feel. I have the plan, but circumstances don't allow me to follow it. How can I forget the world around me and focus on trading? How can I forget the world around me and focus on trading? It's not gonna work, man. You have to be able to handle both. The biggest jump in my trading career happened positively is when I learned how to separate trading from my personal life. That's when I had my biggest jump in my life. I would be so affected. I would bring so much stress or so much tension to my personal life because of trading. And I would also bring a lot of bad decisions to my trading because of my personal life. And you need to understand and you need to learn. It's not something I will tell you and you will suddenly become detached to, detach these two, the trading or your work and the personal life. But you need to learn and you need to work on it. You know, you need to work on it to separate it. Because one of the things that really helped me is just doing it for a long time. I think what helped me a lot is just realization that markets will not go anywhere. They will always be here and they will always pretty much stay the same. Because when I just started trading, I always had a feeling where like, what happens if I don't trade today? What happens if I, miss a week or whatever? And only time proved me that the markets won't go anywhere. They will always stay the same. And there will always be another setup, So don't try to forget the world. Don't try to forget the trading. Try to do both, but separate them. And I don't think your career deserves your emotions from your personal life. Neither your personal life deserves the emotions from your trading performance. Trading is a tool to make money. Trading is a space where you get in here and you do what you're supposed to do. You'll be more successful when you realize that you need to have a plan. And when you know that plan works, all you need to do is execute the plan. So here, I come to the office every single day. I don't say to myself, I want to make $5,000 today. I want to make $20,000 today. I sit down here and I say to myself, I need to correctly execute my plan that already exists. Not something new, not something old. Exactly what I have right now. If I execute my plan, I will eventually make money, okay? Today or this week or this month. Eventually, I will make money from the markets because I have an edge. So I'm here. I'm not affected by a win. I'm not affected by a loss. Am I a little bit sad? Am I a little bit happy when I do? Of course, we're all human. But overall, I'm just here to execute my plan. And I know the money will follow. The money is not a moving piece for me right now. Wow, this is some meditation music. Wow, I'm barely talking about trading today, huh? I mean, the charts. US30, I'm not trading today. US30, US100, and gold, I'm not trading. But it's also Friday today, so... Wait, it's Thursday. Oh, I forgot. Wait, is it? Oh my god, I got completely lost. Also, guys, I think my new vlog is coming out either tonight or tomorrow. Tonight or tomorrow, so stay tuned, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Show some love, show some love. The best thing you can do is to watch the video from the very beginning to the very end. That's the best thing you can do. You know what I mean? Oh man, the vlogs are... I was rewatching the footage from Dubai. Yes, it's just some good stuff. I wish I could, I hope eventually I will get to a point where I'll show everything. I think I will eventually. But right now I'm playing it safe, you know? Average view duration is 11 minutes, guys. That's good. I used to average around. That's how I know I'm speaking good stuff, because on average it's like 6 to 7 minutes. So like the average what viewer spends on, because I'm seeing the stats here on the live right now. It's 12 minutes. So that's not bad. So last two trades were losses. Euro USD eventually did me dirty. So Euro USD, if we look at Euro USD, I was looking for buys. When was it? not this session. I think this was the session. I was looking for buys somewhere right here, and the price stopped me out. Something like that. I had two zones. Yeah, but eventually the price flew up. It is what it is. EU. GU has been the best performance for me the past 3 months. You guys went over the last live, remember? How did you learn to trade? Multiple resources, books, YouTube, mentorship. So I did a lot of different things, a lot of self-learning as well, a lot of what I would, if I could change it, I would change this one thing is I would have picked a mentor earlier, like an actual mentor, not like the guy that's like his YouTube is purely his cars or whatever. If you actually think he's bringing value to about trading, and then go with guidance. What I did is just I thought I to this day have this feeling that I know everything better than anyone on everything. I have this egoistical mindset when it comes to learning, not overall in general in life, but when it comes to like learning or trying to understand things. And that's how I was like when I started trading, and I was just, all I did was just backtest. I was doing a lot of work. I did a good job. Maybe that's why it helped me so much, because I worked so much on myself. Combination of things. Those boxes are my sessions, yes. It's pretty dark in my room now. Is it or no? I need more light. It's darkish. Should be more light, I think. I think the camera is kind of blocking the light, that's why. I have a big camera set up here because I was recording some videos for the Hidden Edge. Euro USD is pretty similar to me as GU. I mean, since it's so bullish, it could just take this liquidity right here. I haven't taken any trades so far. I haven't taken any trades so far. Once again, trading is about executing when you have to, not when you want to. I trade London and New York sessions. Yes, I am looking from the current session liquidity. Am I shouting? Oh. What time start? Oh, fuck yeah. When it's all capital, it's just like, bro, what the? Did you take any trades? Guys, like the stream, please. 50 watchers and 14 likes. Let's get to 25 likes. What's up, MCK $? $. You know what I mean? $1H. Oh, I would love to sell this. Not gonna lie, I would love to sell this. Why not sell GU? Because of the previous weekly candle. So my bias is bullish. Previous weekly candle bullish. Daily market structure. We have a change of structure, which is towards the bullish side. Higher highs, higher lows. Bias is bullish. That's why I'm looking for bias, not for sales. I look for liquidity in the inside of the sessions. Just give me my money. He said doesn't work like that, broski. Drop the playlist, bro. Stop it. This is fucking copyright music. What are you talking about? This is literally a copyright playlist. But it's like good for work, you know? How do I find this playlist now? Wait, am I still in the copyright? Oh. Wait. Let's figure this out. Am I... Okay, copyright free. Yes, thank God. No. Oh. No. I wasn't. Wait, that's so bad. That's so bad. Yeah, the thing with YouTube is you have to be careful. And literally Spotify for some reason jumped to another playlist. Yeah, monetization is... See ya. Every time after every stream I get the monetization turned off. But like... What? You make $20 from this? Bro, my Spotify Wrapped is literally... it's so terrible. It is literally white European chicks playlist. You know, kind of music, fucking deep house music, all of that. Bro, it's hilarious. I don't know how. Bro. It's terrible. My most listened artist is Drake. But the songs that's shown here is terrible. Good music taste. Kind of music is nice. Like, I like them. It was like the summer vibes. It was like a trend. I went to their event in Scorpios in Mykonos. It was absolutely terrible. Look, you know, if you know, guys, do you know kind of music? Do you know kind of music or no? So this was post, and Rampa, so one of the DJs, commented. They commented on my video. Yeah, it's not waiting for us, obviously. He says, see ya. On USD, that the interesting thing is, here we still have a gap that was never filled. So we just filled this gap that's right here, which is interesting. Oh, we have any new memes in the Discord? Couple, let's see. You guys want to watch it? We have couple. New traders waiting for a signal from their mentor because they don't want to lose any more money. I don't want to open this. It's a link. I trade Forex every single day. I don't. Fair enough. But you also don't have any money. Neither do you. Come on, VD. What is that? What is that? Oh, man. Bro, it's terrible. That's terrible. What is this? Crypto coin? Euro USD. Come on, what's happening? Where's Ape? Why is it dropping? Oh yeah. New York just opened. I always start stream on New York open. Now we'll have a second influx of volume. Yeah, if I was you, I would sell US 100. If I was you. But educational purposes only. Again! Why does it jump off the album? What is this music? Here we go. Big playlist with a lot of songs. Can't tell you that, Moa. Can't tell you that. My friend just sent his Spotify Wrapped? Like I fucking care? What is this? What is he listening to? Rod Wave? What was your guys, if you listen to Spotify, who was your number one artist you were listening to? Hans Zimmer? I think I had this one last year, bro. I swear. Because I just listened to the Interstellar playlist all the time. God damn it. my friend yesterday, he calls me. My friend calls me yesterday, and he says, "You won't believe what happened." I said, "Let me guess." He said, "Okay, guess." And I said, "You did something with your car." He said, "Yes, I hit a bike driver." So a kid was driving his bicycle, and he hit him. And now he sends me a video. Yeah, he fucked up the car. Stupid. He has the car for 2 months. For 2 months. And he already fucked it up 2 times. What did I want to do? What did I want to do? All right. My playlist, bro. I need to create one and make it public. Not this, because this is some copyright stuff. You know what I mean? What is this music? God help me. I sound very cocky.
8 o'clock.
I sound cocky? Bro, you don't know me. That's what I get a lot. I'm least cocky person you can meet. What did I say to sound cocky, bro? That's crazy.
Will you go down to the station and get me a ticket on the 11 o'clock?
This is lo-fi, yeah, copyright free music. You know what? I'll open their energy drink. 1 second, guys.
Just excited. Thank you.
Oh, hello, guys. How are we doing? I haven't had an energy drink in a month, maybe. And I found this in my fridge today. This is gonna make me go crazy after a month not having it. Markets are slow. Oh, I'm in the history desk. I just noticed this. Why didn't you guys tell me? Wait. Oh, I just need to go to this. Oh, the vlog from Dubai is either today or tomorrow. I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited, bro. I recorded like 5 vlogs. And it took a while for me to find the editor that I like. And I finally did. BTC. Near. I want to see what was the bottom for this. Wow, it was $1. It was $1, and then it went back up to 8. That's a lot. Guys, you know what I want to do eventually? To do an in-person. Something in person. Because I realized, okay, I've been trading for 8 years. Teaching for the past 3 years maybe. And I haven't done anything with the in live. I would like to experience what that's like. This music annoys me, not gonna lie. I'll rather listen to birds chirping, not gonna lie. Also, I ordered some clothes. I should be getting them today. I'm really excited because I'm going to fucking excited. I'm going to Brazil for New Year's. That's the plan. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm going to look for a wife. The goal is to find a wife. With my family? No, alone, bro. With my friends. with my friends. I'm going to New Year to celebrate New Year's in Brazil. In Brazil. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. I was like chatting with my friends. I'm like, guys, this must be our last trip because we get kidnapped. No way you're Brazilian, bro. Bro, yeah, you want to kidnap me. I'm just kidding, bro. But yeah, it's I'm going to Carneiros Festival. Or not. I don't know, maybe. Who knows? I posted a Brazilian song, bro, on my story. The amount of replies I got to it with Brazilian flags or, hey, this is Brazilian song. It's crazy. I don't know. I had so many Brazilian people follow me. It's madness. It was so funny. I love that Brazilian song, though. Brazilian music is just like, you know, when they dance and they do this with their head. I love it. I love it, bro. It's Rio de Janeiro has always been my whole life, my dream city, my dream country. Sounds like you're going to clap some Brazilian cheeks. This guy. I think I forgot to. I'm sorry. What does it mean? Su brasileiro ete accompano. He said you're going for that BBL. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Tem que vir em Minas Gerais. Bro, I'm fluent Brazilian. Fluent. Fluent, baby. Yeah, this energy drink is working. I'm so linear lately with my energy. I'm not too low, not too high. I don't know if I like that. Why always we as human beings are not happy with what we have? It's always you want the opposite of what you have. Isn't that crazy? The most famous people in the world, they want privacy. The people that nobody knows about wants fame. Only thing that doesn't affect is rich people won't ever give away their money. They will want to keep it. So I read this. I don't know. This is like a meme or a comment or a tweet. If money doesn't bring happiness, then why does rich people doesn't just give them away? You'll never hear a rich person be like, I don't need this money, take my money. Who said, wait, said the best women in the world are here in Brazil? Bro, I don't know. You know, everybody's saying that. I don't know. There's only one way to find out, you know. So excited. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I told you to sell US100, bro. Turn back in the stream and you'll see me saying, if I was you, I would be selling US100. It's because of the 1H candle. Bro, this candle is just so powerful. It has like a 100% hit rate, you know? Like the chat. Like the chat. I see the likes flying. Give a reaction. I'll give a reaction to myself. Here. Rich Muslims give their money to feel happiness. There's something called sadaqah and zakat they have. Oh, they have something called what does that mean? What does sadaq mean? Let's go, baby. Let's go. US 100. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. I'm using a secret indicator that makes you instantly profitable. Instantly. No questions asked. And today only, this indicator, you can buy from me at 99 cents. Bro, I would play, but I'll get copyright on YouTube. Sadaqah is charity given voluntary in order to please God. So, like, okay. Sadaqah also describes a voluntary charitable act towards others, whether through generosity, love, compassion. Not necessarily physical or monetary. Nice. Why USD pairs are down? I mean, they've been strong for a while now. They need a retrace. And it's at DXY is a resistance, my fellow friend. So what I see happening, it's my guess, something like this. I do expect this support resistance to be broken, but I think it needs some liquidity. Here we have some support. We do have some. I think it needs some liquidity before to break it. So it may be weak for the next couple weeks, potentially. You know? My guess. It's not down. It's definitely not down. If you look at the previous weeks, it has been bullish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row. And it's down only 1 week, so it's not down. It's definitely not down. I want to, you know what I want to do? I want to, wow, I just got a crazy idea. As an educator and a content creator, I get a lot of questions that are repetitive. What I'm gonna create is universal FAQ about trading. And it's either gonna consist of my video answer or, oh, this is so good. Yes. Oh, shit. Do you use session levels predictor? I am the predictor. I'm the messiah. What do you mean? What do you mean? Predictor. Somebody guesses it? Okay, let's see my stats for today. I need to work out today. I'm so lazy. Yesterday I played paddle for 2 hours and got 16 strain on my WAP. Overreach. This guy played paddle again? Bro, I need to go run today to... Oh, shit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna work out after this. Maybe I just go for a run outside. But it's cold. How cold is it? -1 degrees. See ya. Shit, that one needs to go. Okay. Alright guys, couple more minutes. The markets are barely moving. The markets are barely moving. ¿Cuántos estas minutos? Just created my own language. Bro, sell US 100. Source, trust me. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the live stream here. For some reason, I thought it was Friday today. That's why I started the stream earlier. But we're gonna be back streaming tomorrow for the NFP die. We're gonna look at the markets. We'll see. Maybe we get some entries on London. If not, then we're gonna trade New York session. As always, it was a pleasure. As always, a lot of love and positivity to your world, to your life. Love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.